Finished building your funnel? Great! In this video, I'll show you how to publish your funnel in System.io so it's live and ready to receive visitors. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels from the dashboard. Open the funnel that you want to publish. Step 2. Review each funnel step to make sure everything is complete. Check your headlines, images, buttons, forms, and links to ensure they work correctly. Step 3. Click Edit Page for your landing page and then select Preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. If everything looks good, save your changes. Step 4. Return to the funnel overview and copy the page URL or funnel path. Open it in a new browser tab to verify that the page loads correctly and is accessible to visitors. Step 5. If you're using a custom domain, make sure it's connected properly. Otherwise, you can use the default System.io URL to start sharing your funnel immediately. Now your funnel is published and ready for traffic. And that's it! You've successfully published your funnel in System.io. If you want to start building your own funnels, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab for more easy step-by-step tutorials every week.